Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play my team in NBA 2K. First, you will want to understand the core concept, building your dream team. You collect player cards through various methods, including opening packs, completing challenges, and buying from the auction house. Once you have your roster, you can jump into exciting game modes, both online and offline, to test your skills and earn fantastic rewards. It's all about strategy and collecting your favorite players. Building a strong roster is key to my team's success. You can acquire new player cards in several ways. Opening packs gives you a chance at powerful players, while the token market lets you spend earned tokens on specific cards. The auction house is a dynamic marketplace where you can buy and sell cards using MyTeam points, allowing for strategic team building. Aim for a balanced squad with strong players across all 5 positions to dominate the court. MyTeam offers a variety of engaging game modes to keep you entertained. Domination mode lets you play through the NBA schedule against computer-controlled teams, earning stars and rewards. For quicker action, Triple Threat is a thrilling 3-on-3 mode, available both online and offline. If you crave competitive 5-on-5 play, Unlimited is your go-to online ranked mode. Remember to complete daily and lifetime agendas for extra MyTeam points and exclusive player cards. To truly excel in MyTeam, focus on a few key strategies. Always prioritize completing challenges and agendas, as these often provide excellent free rewards and experience. Manage your MyTeam points carefully, deciding whether to invest in packs or target specific players on the auction house. Understanding your players' tendencies and badges will help you utilize them to their full potential. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different lineups and playbooks to discover what works best for your playstyle.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.